Before preparing compounded sterile preparations, personnel must demonstrate proficiency of skills for performing sterile manipulations and achieving and maintaining appropriate environmental conditions. Gloved fingertip and thumb sampling evaluates competency in correctly performing hand hygiene. Label each sampling device with the name of personnel, right or left hand, and the date and time of sampling. Use one sampling device per hand containing general microbial growth agar, such as tryptic soy agar, supplemented with neutralizing agents such as lecithin and twine. Do not sterilize the gloved hands immediately before touching the sampling device, as this could cause a false negative result. Using a separate plate for each hand, collect samples from all gloved fingers and thumbs by rolling finger pads and thumb pad over the agar surface. Cover each sampling device and store the media inverted during incubation to prevent condensation from dropping onto the agar. Record the number of CFU and determine whether the CFU action level is exceeded by counting the total number of CFU from both hands. At Hardy Diagnostics, we can help you with all of your environmental monitoring needs. Please visit us at hardydiagnostics.com.